Hi, Dr. Khan here to talk about seeing the OB/GYN if you're a teenager. So first of all, don't be scared. We see lots of teenagers and often they're referred by their pediatrician or brought in by their parents, their mother or their father. And many times even the father sits through the entire visit. The good news is that you don't have to get undressed. We're just going to talk the first time. And I've been really blessed with unique experiences in my practice. Some of my teenagers later became employees in the office, or some of the teenagers I've seen went on to medical school or nursing school. I had a chance to mentor them. Some of the patients even ended up at Louisiana State University, which is where I went to school, which is awesome. So in general, when a teenager comes in, we will usually get their records from their pediatrician and make sure that they've gotten their Gardasil vaccine. I find that to be a very important, life-saving vaccine. It's a vaccine against cervical cancer, and now the rates of cervical cancers that I've seen in my patient population that's been vaccinated, the rates are just going down in general due to the vaccine. So I highly recommend it. Some patients and their family worry about a vaccination reaction, but I highly recommend it, and I have 3 children and my children are getting vaccinated. Another thing with a teenager that we'll discuss is her skin, her period. There are some things that OB/GYNs can do to help her with her skin, although a dermatologist would also be helpful with hair. We will also discuss her periods. There are even teenagers who start to have symptoms of endometriosis or polycystic ovarian syndrome. We'll address weight as well. Due to the change of weight in the American population in general, we see a lot of cases of polycystic ovarian syndrome and patients in their teenage years and high school years being referred for cysts on their ovaries, which we will discuss. I also recommend in the teenage age group as well for them to start a period tracker app, which is a wonderful tool that they can check on their phone their symptoms and know when they're ovulating, know when they have their period. There's so much amazing information technology that's so beneficial to young women's health.